on the interior of this 2019 Kenworth T680 day cab. It has a singular air ride seat. You have your tilted telescope right here. You have power windows, mirrors, as well as locks. This truck has 577,000 miles on it. There's no lights on the dash. There's a spot where you can add an extra seat for a passenger. It has working AC as well as heat. You have your cruise control settings right here. Your gear shifter right here. You have your tilted telescope, or not your tilted telescope. You have your switches for your suspension, air, inner axle, and your air slide fifth. This is a nice truck. It runs good. It sounds good. For all other information, you can go to our website at aatrucksales.com.